Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and you are enjoying the holidays very well. But with the enjoyment, you have to do study as well. So I am the teacher of prep class. My name is Hussein Bano. I am here to teach you social studies. Today our topic is my healthy habits. In this topic, you will learn about some healthy habits that you need to follow. So first of all, we will discuss this one, washing hand. That is very much important healthy habits that you have to follow. Over here you can see the picture. Before and after eating the meal, you have to wash your hands, and after playing, you have to wash the hands. So in this way, you can keep away from the germs and you can stay healthy. Then come towards the next picture. It's about brushing teeth. You know, when we eat anything, so tiny particles stuck in our teeth. So what happens? So germs attack the teeth and cavities over there in our teeth. So you become sick. So to remove all the cavities, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Before going to bed and early in the morning, you have to brush your teeth. That is also a healthy habit. That is very important healthy habit, that is to eat the healthy food. You have to take healthy fruits and healthy vegetables. By eating healthy food, we can become strong and active. We can learn our lesson very well. And you know, when the student who and the children who do not take the healthy food, they takes the junk food. They are not active and they are not healthy. They got sick very soon. So you have to take healthy food. Come towards the next picture. That is also very much important healthy habit, that is cutting nails. When you do not cut the nails, so what happens? Germs stuck in our nails, and with the same hand when you will eat, so germs will go inside your body and you will got sick. So you have to cut the nails. And in the Friday, that is Sunnah also, you have to cut the nails at every Friday. Okay, now come towards the next pictures. Taking a bath, that is also a healthy habit. We have to take a bath regularly. So by taking a bath, we stay away from the germs and we stay active. So it's about healthy habits. You have to follow these healthy habits to become healthy and active. Now we have to move towards the book. You have to open the book. Okay, student, now you have to open the page number 7 of your social studies book. And the topic is my healthy habits. As we have already discussed about few healthy habits, now we have to learn the answers of these given questions. The first question is, what are good hygiene habits? And these are brushing teeth, washing hands, taking a bath, and cutting nails. These are the hygiene good habits. You have to follow these habits. Come to the next question. Why do we need to stay clean? To stay healthy and safe from germs. Now the next question is, how many times should we brush our teeth? As I have already told you that we have to brush our teeth twice a day. Twice a day. The next question is, when should we wash our hands? And the answer is before and after eating, after playing, and after using the toilet. That is too much important healthy habit that you have to follow. Then come to the next question. How often do we take a bath? The answer is every day. You have to take the bath every day. Now the next question is, when should we cut our nails? I have already told you, once a week on every Friday, you have to cut your nails because it is Sunnah as well. Now we have to move towards the activity sheet. Okay, student, there is a worksheet about my healthy habits. You have to match the things with the picture. We have to read the statement first. Draw a line from the object to the part of the body where it is used. You can see over here, there's hairbrush, hair comb, tissue box, toothpaste, toothbrush, and soap and hand wash is here. So we have to observe these pictures, we have to think about it, then we have to match it. Okay, do you know Where we use this brush? Obviously, we use it on hair. So you have to match it like this, neatly matching. Then hair comb, that is also used on hair. You have to match with it. Then come toward the next picture, that is tissue box. We use tissue obviously to wipe our hands and to clean the nose as well. So you have to match it with the nose. Over here, this is the picture of toothbrush. So it's clear we use it on our teeth. Okay, what is this? That is toothpaste. That is also related to our teeth. So we have to match it with the teeth. And then over here you can see soap is here, hand wash is here, hand wash. So by its name, it's clear. So we use it on hand. So we have to match it here. Okay, it was all about our healthy habits. Hope you learn it very well and you have to complete this worksheet nicely. Okay student, take care, Allah Hafiz.